Hello everybody, welcome to our beach house. Totally renovated beach house. I can't get over how beautiful it looks actually. So here we go, I'm going to take a little stroll around. New blinds, new paint job, new sheetrock, new floor, look at that, PERGO floor. Just beautiful in every possible way. Okay, moving over here, we can look at our beautiful kitchen. Again, the PERGO floor runs through it. We have a brandy new countertop. This is a silestone countertop, and it is spectacular. And our new cabinets, these are hickory crafts-made cabinets. New sink with special super duper faucet. And I think we're running out a little light here, and then you can see the floor running into the dining area, the new microwave over the oven. Here's a better picture of the faucet. New oven because the contractor broke it, the old one, which was nothing wrong with it. These are the new cabinets, the crown molding. Look at that. The big pantry. There it is. Big pantry. Again, PERGO floor. New blinds, crown molding, new blinds. And again, baseboard and crown molding. And again, another view of the living room in this direction, and then we're going to go down the hallway. Now I'll turn the light on so you can actually see it. But there's the hallway with the PERGO floors and the horses that Chris bought for us in Dominican Republic, because they remind me of the wild horses of the Outer Banks. So here we go, walking on down the hallway. Got a picture on the wall here because this is no longer paneling. We've got crown molding and baseboard, and we move now into the master bedroom. I'm going to turn the light on so you can see it. Again, PERGO, beautiful paint job on textured walls, new curtains, new bedspread. And moving through here, again, PERGO all the way through. You all know the bathroom because the bathroom was made by Sean and Mark. So take a peek of that. And then back into the bedroom. Back into the bedroom, and then we walk out of the bedroom, back into the hallway. And the other two rooms, which were not damaged in any way, remain the same. They are just like they were. This was the paneling that was all removed from, these were the paneling that was all removed from the old area which is now sheetrocked and painted. So I think it's gorgeous. Little revolution here, and then back into the living room. PERGO floors are beautiful. And then this is a nice shot of the living room. And the dining room area, kitchen, bar stools, island, kitchen again. And I guess I should show you the new water heater, which has replaced the old water heater, which has caused all the damage from the beginning. And there's the new one. I hope you enjoy it. We can't wait to come back.